Costco gasoline costs you about 3 cents a gallon for engine protection that a $1,000 repair bill can't buy back. The station right next to it charges almost the same price and skips that protection entirely. Same base fuel, often the same refinery. The detergent package is the difference. And 6 of the biggest names in America quietly decided that package wasn't worth the fraction of a penny it costs. We're ranking 6 gasoline brands that are not on the top tier list right now. 5 are the everyday villains you drive past without thinking. Then we flip and I show you who actually still pays for the good stuff, including 3 big names you expected on this villain list and won't find here. Number 6, Sam's Club. Most people assume this one's fine because the warehouse next door has a good reputation. You trust the membership, you trust the bulk pricing, so you trust the gas. That instinct, music, is exactly the problem. Sam's Club gasoline is not top-tier certified. Its biggest rival, Costco, certifies every gallon at every station. Sam's chose not to. The base fuel often comes from the same major refiners that supply the premium brands. But the additive package blended in at the terminal is the budget version tuned to the federal minimum, not the automaker standard. The reason is the whole business model. Sam's competes on price 10 to 20 cents under the neighborhood average, and that gap has to come from somewhere. Costco eats that cost and stays top tier. Sam's passes the savings to you and quietly passes the carb into your engine. The drivers who connect the two keep a Costco card in the wallet, and the next one runs the exact same play, except in a parking lot you pull into every single week. Number 5. Murphy USA. You know the little kiosks camped at the edge of the Walmart lot. The sign always a few cents under everyone else. The pitch is one word cheapest, and it's doing a lot of work to keep you from asking one question. Murphy USA has never held a top-tier certification. Not dropped it. Never had it. The entire operation is built around volume and the lowest possible price per gallon, which means meeting the federal detergent floor and stopping right there. The mechanism is pure scale. Murphy moves enormous quantities of fuel next to the busiest retailer on earth, and every fraction of a cent, say per gallon, multiplies across millions of fill-ups. Skipping the enhanced additive is one of those fractions. Rational business, just rational at your engine's expense, not theirs. If your car is older and headed for the scrapyard anyway, you may not care if you plan to keep it past a 100,000 meter. You're making a slow trade you can't see yet. Now, leave the parking lots and get on the highway where the next 2 brands treat your gasoline as an afterthought to a completely different business. Before we go on, one thing about this channel, no brand deals. No fuel company has ever paid for a word here. In the day one tries, you'll hear about it. I just read the public list and tell you what's on it. If that's useful, subscribe. It genuinely helps. Number 4. Pilot Flying J. Picture the last big truck stop off the interstate. 40 diesel lanes, a restaurant, showers, a store the size of a supermarket. Now find the regular gas pumps off to the side. Almost an afterthought, that layout tells you exactly where the gasoline ranks. Pilot Flying J does not participate in the top-tier program for its gasoline. And the reason is structural. Truck stops earn the overwhelming majority of their fuel revenue from diesel sold to commercial trucks. Gasoline for passenger cars is a side business, and a side business gets the minimum attention the law allows. For a trucker, irrelevant, different fuel entirely. For you pulling off to splash and dash, it means the least protected fuel of the whole tank goes into a car you're asking to drive another 400 minutes. Once is nothing. A habit of it adds up, and its mirror image is usually sitting at the very same exit. Number 3. Love's. Same highway, different sign. Love's is the other giant of the American truck stop, running the identical logic. Diesel is the business, gasoline is the garnish. Love's gasoline is not on the top tier list. When 80 to 90% of your fuel income comes off the diesel island, nobody's fighting to pay licensing fees for premium detergent in the gasoline a few minivans buy on the way to grandma's. What makes this one worth flagging is the false sense of safety. A massive, bright, busy national chain feels like a safe bet. But volume at the diesel pump tells you nothing about the additive in the regular unleaded. The size is real. The gasoline care is not. Now, the most common mistake of all, the one hiding behind the lowest number on the whole street, number 2. BP ARCO. Here's where I have to be straight with you, because the lazy version of this video puts these 3 in the villain half and counts on you not checking. BP, Amoco, and ARCO all left the top-tier program back in late 2021, and for a stretch, the criticism was fair. But I pulled the official list the day I wrote this, and all 3 are on it right now. BP's return got confirmed in early 2026. They came back to the standard. So if you've been avoiding a BP or an ARCO on the word of some older video, the information moved and the video didn't. This channel follows the list. When a brand requalifies, it goes in the buy column. Full stop. That's also your lesson for using this whole video. Don't memorize my 7 names and call it done because the list changes. Check the pump for the top-tier logo before a long trip. The standard protects you, not my opinion of a logo. Now, the number 1 spot, the brands that never once made you guess. Number 1, the certified anchors. These are the names that quietly kept paying for the additive package the entire time while others dropped off. Costco is the clean headline. Same warehouse model as Sam's, same aggressive pricing, and it certifies every gallon anyway. It proves the cheap fuel excuse is a choice, not a law of physics. Costco decided to. Sam's decided not to. These brands lock every location into a recipe running 2 to 3 times the federal minimum on regular, mid, and premium alike. You're not buying a magic potion. You're buying consistency. The same protective dose, every fill, every city, no dice rolling. Over a $100,000 term. That consistency is the difference between an engine that stays clean and one that slowly gums up in ways you only discover at the repair counter. The drivers who get it just fill up at the same certified pump and never think about it again.